Yes.
Akriti Wadhwa from DNA Growth, and today I have with me Mr. Shashank Singh, an advocate by profession who has recently ventured into the business space with AKS Green Solutions. Hi Shashank, how are you?
I absolutely fine. What about you?
All good. It's a pleasure having you here. I think one of the most pressing questions for today is how an advocate like yourself ventured into the business space and a very unique business idea at that. What inspired you to, come into this space and start something like AKS Green Solution?
Well, I was born, brought up in Delhi.
Okay.
I had the pleasure of playing with my friends in the clean air of Delhi.
Yeah.
However, in the past decade, I saw that the Delhi blue sky has vanished. Uh, there weren't any children who were playing in the parks. Respiratory problems became a very major issue. It
Yeah.
seemed as if, like one of those Bollywood or Hollywood movies where the earth is withered into a desert and then,
Yeah.
everyone needs a mask to help them breathe. And that's a very real problem which was there.
True.
So after that, I thought that I should do something about it.
Hmm.
So I approached my father. I spoke to him. He's a person of science and technology. He understands the phenomenon which is behind this. He made me understand what is global warming, what is climate change.
Yeah.
So we started doing the research. During the research, I found that there are a few people, or even the government,
Hmm.
they are planting trees, but it's not doing anything.
Hmm.
Global warming is still a phenomenon. Today, I'm in Delhi. It's difficult to breathe. I need a air purifier for that.
True. True.
And you know, I used my lawyer skills. I wanted to understand what is the psyche behind it. Why aren't people interested in planting or doing something about it?
Hmm.
So I understood four things. The first being that a tree takes 25 to 30 years to grow. No one wants to do that. We don't have time for that.
Yeah.
And secondly, we needed a solution which is a quick fix.
Hmm.
So we need a plant which is growing as fast as possible. We need a thing which is growing as fast as possible.
Yeah.
Thirdly, humans.
Hmm.
Well, humans have this basic need that they something which they do something about it. So that is giving them a monetary benefit. Fourth was that any technology which is coming out of it, it should be a zero waste and a high consumption technology. It should be commercially viable.
Hmm.
So after all these ideas popping up in my head, I had the chance of being introduced to Dr. N. Bharati, Dr. Lal Singh. Dr. N. Bharati, to talk about Dr. N. Bharati, he's also with us. He's working with us.
Okay.
Thank the Lord, he's working with us. Uh, he's one person who's a biotechnologist, and he's developed the Bima bamboo plant, which is there. So a few qualities about this plant because I have to do that.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah. So this is a fast-growing plant. It is a high biomass plant. It is actually producing more oxygen and is consuming a very high amount of CO2. Meaning, if I want to compare it to a normal full-grown tree, you
Yeah.
can say that 30% more oxygen and 35% more carbon dioxide is being sequenced by this wonder plant. Now, I also had the chance of meeting Dr. Lal Singh. Dr. Lal Singh, he's a senior scientist. He's working with NIRI. It's a government of India organization. Now, he's one person who's into genomes and then whatnot. Trust me, I'm not a very science person, but he's a scientist.
Yeah.
Okay, so now this scientist, he
Scientist and a celebrity.
yeah, I mean, yeah, I am at the end of the day a layman. You see,
Yeah. True, true.
so personally, what happened was that. I started understanding how whole the soil functions with a plant. How does it do that? एक प्लांटेशन करने के लिए सॉइल भी समझना चाहिए.
Yeah.
डिग्रेडेड सॉइल है तो कैसे काम चलेगा, क्या चीजें होंगी. तो लाल सिंह जी ने मेरी इसमें मदद करी, बहुत मदद करी इनफैक्ट. तो हमारे पास में क्विक फिक्स तो आ गया.
Mm.
अब बात आई भैया कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट. व्हाट इज द कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट बिहाइंड?
Yeah.
आई मेट डॉक्टर संतोष गोंडलेकर. Dr. Santosh Gondlekar, he's a mechanical engineer,
Okay.
and he's the one who has developed the CNG plant which we have, the bio CNG plant which we have.
Hmm.
Now, this bio CNG plant which we have, इस चीज को देखना, मतलब क्या मैं जो पौधा लगा रहा हूँ उससे जो सीएनजी बन रहा है उसका क्या फायदा है, क्या चीजें हैं, वो चीज भी समझनी पड़े भैया.
Hmm. Hmm.
That was a bigger problem for me.
Yeah.
I hope English and Hindi is fine with you.
Perfect, perfect. However, you were comfortable.
Yeah, I am comfortable with both. I'm comfortable with both.
Even.
So, what I saw that we have a technology
Hmm.
which is far ahead of other technologies.
Yeah.
Matlab, if I looked at technologies which in today's date people have, we looked at technologies which people have of the green technology or the clean technology of what they say.
Hmm.
No one is actually doing what we are doing.
Okay.
We're at the forefront currently. So we thought that this is the time we start our company.
Yeah.
So we then started AKS Green Solutions Wonder Plant Private Limited, or AKSGW. It's a long name, I know. It's a long name.
Yeah. But I think you have a solid business plan here. And almost every business is plagued by one problem or the other initially. Later on, of course, there are some other challenges that come with the territory, but initially there are a lot of things that a business owner should know of. Like, you don't come from this
Mhm.
background, there are a lot of technical things that you had to learn first and then implement. So apart
Mhm.
from getting the required knowledge, what was other challenges that you faced initially, or you're still facing at this point? At this point.
Ah, well, the challenges, if I say, well,
Hmm.
I've actually always followed my life by a quote, which is from Yoda. He's a
Yeah,
character from Star Wars.
yeah, yeah.
So I don't know if you know about him,
I've
but so
watched the movie, but I've heard of it.
please do that.
Okay.
So he says, do or do not. There
Hmm.
is no try.
Yeah.
So I entered the field. I would say that this journey has been eventful for me,
Hmm.
been full of surprises.
Hmm.
But I am a glass half full kind of a guy. So you can say I've taken it head on.
Yeah.
The biggest problem which I faced was because of my field, because I am a lawyer by profession and I've been a commerce. Science has never actually been my strong suit.
Okay.
So in the starting, my father, Prem Bharti, Dr. Lal Singh, who made me understand the techniques of planting. So now, a normal layman, if you ask the person, he says that यार क्या है, पौधे को डाला, soil के अंदर पानी दे दिया, खत्म बात. But then I saw that there is a lot of science which is there behind it.
Hmm.
Meaning, I was aghast by it.
Yeah.
And I was then learning about techniques of how to prepare the soil, how to prepare the plant according to the land quality. Then, if it is a degraded land, किस तरीके से को prepare करना है, क्या करना है, that. Then, what is the technologies which are there? If we talk about drone technology, I had to learn all about that. कि किस तरीके से how to assess what the drone is getting you, what the information it is getting you, or if it is the satellite imaging, how to assess the plantation in accordance with that. Then there's one technique which my father has actually invented. It's called pinpoint harvesting. So I had to learn that. So after all this, after learning कि भैया अब plantation कैसे तैयार करते हैं, we had to look at CNG plant. So now Dr. Santosh, bless that man, he actually made me understand what is the science behind the CNG plant.
Okay.
What is the science behind it? What is the mechanical things which are involved in?
Hmm.
And trust me, I my chemistry has never been my strong suit.
Hmm.
I think all my teachers will vouch for it. If any one of them sees it, they will definitely ask you this question: how is it possible?
Yeah.
Um, so I had to learn all that. Then we face the problem of CO2 also along with it. So, what is the use of this CO2? I hope I'm not taking too long to answer your
No, no,
questions.
no. Please take your time. Tell us, because it's very important for the viewers as well to understand what your company is, right? So please take
Yeah.
your time.
So, we have to understand about the CNG.
Yeah.
the sorry, the CO2 which is there.
Okay.
So now we have to look at the perfect industry which is going to give us the best amount of revenue which is there.
Hmm.
So we were able to shortlist the aerated drinks industry.
Okay.
Then we had to look at power. Now we are generating this storified biomass. I have to say this: we are the calorific value of these biomasses. It is in accordance or is equal to
Okay.
the A category of coal which is there.
Okay.
We had to study the power plants.
Hmm.
Rather, I had to do that because apparently it fell on me to understand how the power plants work, what happens, how is my product or the torrefied biomass going to react with the feed,
Hmm.
then what is it that is going to affect the boiler, because this is a very real possibility. Boilers can burst, it is possible.
Okay.
So the feed which is going there, it needs to be perfect.
Hmm.
So that had to be studied. I wasted a lot of time on that. I met people in NTPC, I met people in other power plants. I had to understand the science. How does it happen? Meaning, we used to think, because normally we think that coal है, coal को डाल दिया, उसके अंदर गर्म किया पानी और electricity बन गई. It was not so. There was a lot of things which was involved in it.
Yeah, a lot of
So
technicalities
we
that,
had to learn that.
yeah.
Yeah, a lot of technicalities were there. And we discovered that our plantation is also doing one more thing. We are also generating carbon credits and a very substantial amount of carbon credits.
Okay.
Now, I believe a lot of people might not know what carbon credits are. Carbon credits are credits which are given to a person for generation or sequentiation of the carbon dioxide which is there in the air. So
Okay.
what my plant is doing, the plantation or the mini forest which we have created, that is taking in all the carbon dioxide and is releasing oxygen. So for that, all thanks to the Paris Agreement in 2015, I think if you've been looking at the US elections, you would have heard that Joe Biden is very much in favor of it, of the Paris Agreement. So I'm very happy about that, by the way, because the carbon credit rate had gone down.
It's not the time to back down from climate change. It's about time we take,
Yeah,
action.
precisely. So what they did was because of this new Paris Agreement, which is there, carbon credit is something which we can earn a lot from,
Yeah.
and this plantation is earning.
Hmm.
So I think all the criteria which we thought, the first two criteria which were there were fulfilled. The second two criteria which I thought of were fulfilled.
Hmm.
And currently, you can say that we are the only name in the clean and green energy, as you can quote, because we are also generating clean air.
Yeah.
We are not just normally doing, trapping something and then making something out of it. We're not doing that.
That's a brilliant initiative. It's just so much that I am learning from you right now. So that's brilliant. I understand that you are operating in
I
a
hope I'm not boring you.
not at all. It's quite refreshing to know about these things, especially stuff that you don't exactly know about. So that's perfect. So one thing, like you are already operating in a niche category right now, already giving tailor-made solutions. So what is that one thing for you and your partners that you feel is your USP? What makes you stand out from the others?
See, firstly, I'll say this with all humility.
Hmm.
Our company is one of a kind. Our products are one of a kind.
Hmm.
What we are doing is one of a kind. We are right now at the cusp, I can say, where mankind has always been searching for green, clean, and renewable energy. We are able to generate that in abundance. That's all we need. Meaning, you give us degraded land, we are able to plant a bamboo in that and then make something out of it. We are able to get that land also into a fertile land. We are able to convert it. There's
Yes.
a lot of technology which is involved there. So that is there. Meaning, I don't mean to say that other technologies which are there, they are of no use, but everything has got constraints.
Yeah.
Their constraints are of the batteries which is there, then the destruction of natural habitat which is there. That's another problem. So these technologies are having a very big trouble with that,
Yeah.
and we are not. We are able to perfectly fuse the natural gift of bamboos with according to us. and then we are able to fuse it to such a way that we are able to make CNG out of it. We are able to make something out of it.
Hmm.
That is one of the things. Then our company is working with businesses such as in which are high consumers.
Yeah.
If I look at aerated drinks, I believe you would also be a fan of Pepsi, Coke, beer, soda. All these things is something which we definitely do consume. So aerated drinks is an industry which is always going to need the carbon dioxide which is there for radiation. Because I believe some time back they also tried nitrogen, which was not very useful. People were very much interested in the carbon dioxide which was there. You love that taste which comes from the drink. Then looking at power plants, so that is there. So we are addressing that industry also. Then obviously cooking, cleaning. For cooking and transportation, you need the CNG which we generate.
Yeah.
So the CNG companies are also there. Along with that, we are generating one more thing which no other business is able to generate. We are generating oxygen. Now that is for you, for me, for all living things which is there. So that was there. Then along with that, you are earning money also for generation of clean air.
Yeah.
So you can say सोने पे सुहागा है यार इससे और क्या
Win-win
चाहिए.
situation for everyone.
So yeah, meaning it's a win-win situation for everyone, for the environment also. We are able to perfectly fuse. It's a, our CNC power plant, it's a symbiotic relationship with the mini forest which we've created. From the maintenance of that forest, we are generating these awesome products, as I might put.
Yeah.
So, as I said earlier, we are one of a kind. That is our USP. We are able to, our general motto, which was there, zero waste and high consumption.
Hmm.
That's on which we are actually working.
Yeah.
So, so I think that is something which is our USP. Plus,
Like,
we are able to generate a high amount of revenue. So
no, that's right. So,
that's the most important thing, I'd say.
so like you said that you are at the forefront in this industry at this point, and you are to some extent the pioneers, right? But with people taking notice of acknowledging climate change, basically, do you think that this industry may become the hotspot in the coming years?
Yeah, this industry will definitely become a hotspot. But scientists with me who are able to, who are forward looking, we have to look at competitions also which are there.
Of course.
And
Foresee the
yeah, meaning without that.
yeah,
But I would want to say that energy field is a very big industry.
hmm.
No one person, no one company, no one government will ever be able to conquer it. It is impossible. Meaning, you look at Saudi Arabia, it has a lot of oil, but it is not conquering the whole industry.
Yeah.
It is not possible for them to do that. You look at big companies such as Shell, meaning it is not possible because the environment of a person is very high. That our modern life is based on. So I'd say this industry is very big. Each and every person is there. Now, having said that, I would say that all the products which are involved here, they are all patented. So you can say we are able to mold the market according to our desire
Yeah.
because right now clean energy is something clean and green energy is something which is not present in abundance.
Hmm.
We have been able to fuse nature's gift
Hmm.
and are able to provide our customers and you and me with something which is very valuable. So I'd say that this community is very small.
Hmm.
You can a few people, or there are a lot of people. Like for example, we had to also look at futuristic technologies. We
Yeah.
can't just stop at CNG.
Hmm.
So we looked at futuristic technologies such as hydrogen. It's on the prototype stage right now.
Hmm.
Hydrogen generation is there. Then looking at PCNG, that's a very important thing which we need. Meaning tomorrow your car's fuel might be replaced by PCNG
Hmm. Okay.
or by P LNG. So because it is highly combustible, it is more combustible than that of petroleum. Your engine works better.
Hmm.
So those technologies we've already looked at. We are working. 24/7 to upgrade ourselves. We don't want to be left behind.
Yeah.
So these I think are a few things which we look at.
Okay. Okay. What would you like to say? 2020 has been a hell of a year, right? You must have had some targets for this year. Are you well on your way to, achieve those? Have there been some roadblocks on the way? Anything for this year? Anything that you have planned?
Roadblocks, meaning I'd say that I was planning to get investors by the end of this year. Meaning we have a working model, we have proven technologies, we have the ready market which is there.
Hmm.
The market is literally asking for more.
Okay.
Meaning you look at aerated drinks, you look at power generation, you look at CNG, all these markets, they say the more the merrier.
Yeah.
That's their motto, I believe.
Hmm.
So everything is there. All I need is enthusiastic individuals who are interested in investing and seeking this business out. So I've been looking at that. I hope DNA is able to help me with that.
Definitely soon.
So that's what my target is, I'd say.
All right. Lastly, any message for the viewers, your potential clients, your business partners? How would you like to?
Well, I'd say that this is a green industry. This is a truly green industry. I'd say green and not just the color green.
Yeah.
I'd say it is new.
Yeah.
Green means new. So it's a new industry. It's when Neil Armstrong actually landed on the moon, the first thing he said was that it's a small step for me, but it's a leap for mankind. This is the biggest discovery after the discovery of oil.
Hmm.
So we need people, individuals who are sharing our enthusiasm to invest here so that this industry is able to move forward, is able to reach the potential which it has.
Yes. Yes, of course. And I think
So
that's
that's what we're looking at.
what the
Yeah, I
situation
mean,
is for, and we ought to act on it right now.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for taking.
Thank you. Thank you so much.